In a city where taste buds go to die, one man refuses to let flavor fade quietly. His name? Big Dave. The show? Dave Eats. The channel? The worst food review channel on YouTube. Today, he's cruising down Oxford Street in a vehicle that handles like a shopping cart with a grudge, on a mission to investigate Ring-A-Wing, a local spot with more sauces than a breakup text. The target? A 2-chicken wrap special that's got Dave sweating before he even parks. And yes, he's still fat. Not I love food fat. Not dad bod fat. We're talking if he belly flops. The tides shift fat. But don't worry. He's got the appetite of a raccoon and the judgment of a hungover Yelp reviewer. Let's see if Ring-A-Wing can survive. Dave Eats.
Hey, how are you? Could I get your 2 chicken wrap special out on the board you have out there?
Yes. Anything else, sir?
No, that's it.
That's it. How would you like to pay? It's 11:24.
Interact, please.
Okay, sir. So maximum 2 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Awesome. Thank you very much. You too. Welcome back. Big Dave. Dave Eats. Today we're at Ring-A-Wing. So they have 2 chicken wraps for $9.95. So $3 more than the ones at Tim Hortons. Well, let's check it out. Now, this place used to be great. At one point in time, Ring-A-Wing was the wing leader in London. I will say that. They had great wings. They were huge. You know, you'd only get like 5 maybe to a pound because the wings were so big. Well, now you get, 16 to a pound there. And they look like they came off budgies. They haven't won an award for wings. They used to win them every year. They haven't won an award in 10 years. Let's have a look at these. Don't they look about the same size as Tim Hortons? They might feel a little bulkier. We're only going to look at one because, well, they didn't give us a choice in anything. It says on their board that they sell like 3 or 4 different chicken wraps, but, well, I guess when it comes to the cheap ones, you only get one. There we go. It's cold and hot. Reminds me of a Chipotle burrito. Let's have a look inside this. I'm going to say this is a chicken Caesar wrap because there's bacon in there. You see that? Bacon bits, Caesar salad, chicken. Doesn't smell bad. Let me see if I can get this back together. There we go. As good as new. Almost. Let's take a bite. No, I gotta say, I was a little sus on these when I first looked at these when I opened up the box before I, took a bite. After the Tim Horton one, it's, I think they're pretty good. The Caesar dressing is good. The bacon is actually quite good. I'm going with real bacon bits in there. And the chicken, well, it didn't come out of the toaster. I saw it come out of the deep fryer. That beautiful deep fryer. Oh, it makes everything so delicious. So, I don't think these are a bad deal when you compare it to Tim Hortons, but, well, you tell me. What's the price of these like? $5 a piece? Is that too much? Is that too little? Is that a good deal? Would you try these? Would you try something else? They do have a $10 lunch special thing that they've always got 5 or 6 things on. I'm not sure. I think I like it. I think it's good. I think the chicken's a lot better. Hit the like button. Let us know what you think. Comment below. Subscribe, share. Look for us next time. I'm Big Dave, and this is Dave Eats. Would you eat this crap? Big Dave!